My wife and I have had this product for about 5 to 8 years now. And when we bought it, we have seen tremendous improvement in our utility bills. We've seen improvement from the winter to the summer. We even use the SWEPCO has a program that if you have it, that you can in turn balance your account, and we see our utility bills to be around $89 a month from electric because of the savings that we've had from this product. Sometimes people think the cost is too much, but when you take the cost and average it out over a period of time, you find out it's not really as expensive as you thought it was. It's a good product, it works. You see these briefcase with it, we know for a fact that it makes a difference in our utility bills and in the way that we live. We recommend it to anyone who really wants to buy the product because it's a good product.